Namaskar, welcome to my blog. It's me Ganesh Kivat, and we are going to talk about our lifestyle. So, guys, as you know that uh, this body we belongs to God. Okay, I think wait, face नहीं आया जय नमो बुद्धा गाइस फेस नहीं आ रहा है भगवान जी का सो माफ कर देना so guys hello guys, welcome to my YouTube blog. It's me Ganesh Kivat, and we are going to discuss something interesting about ourselves. So guys, as we know that we are belongs to God. Okay, uh, this body is not for us. As, uh, yeah, it's not we. This our soul. We are soul. Okay, and we don't believe that this is our permanent uh, home to stay here. Okay, and we one day we have to die and go away to leave everything behind here only, and we have to go Godhead back to Godhead. Okay, and so guys, let's talk something interesting about the fact for my uh, through my example. Okay, listen very carefully to understand. It's a deep meaning. So guys, hope you understand this philosophy that the person who have taken birth have to die one day. Okay, and today is a sad day that my Fufaji has expired, and I have went to that घाट. मेरे फूफा जी आज एक्सपायर हो गए. सो मैं गया था घाट पे. वहाँ पर गया और देखा कि उनको जला रहे थे उनका बॉडी. सो गाइस, एक डीप रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि एक दिन तो हमको भी जाना है ये शरीर छोड़ के. सो गाइस, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करें, क्या प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग को लिए बेटर हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर गोइंग फॉर some journey. Okay, specific journey for a certain period of time, then we have to need a preparation time. So जैसा कि हम लोग क्या ले जाएं, पैकेजिंग, जैकेट सैकेट, वो सब एक माइनर छोटा से छोटा चीज का हम लोग ध्यान करते हैं एक छोटा सा ट्रिप के लिए. सो गाइज, ये तो अपना लाइफ का बात है. हम लोग मरने के बाद तो अब भगवान के पास जाना है. सो गाइज, उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन क्या है, तो उसके लिए भी तो प्रिपरेशन होना चाहिए ना. तो एज इन अ वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर, हम लोग पुराण में क्या लिखा है इसके बारे में कि हम लोग मरने के बाद क्या क्या करें. जैसे कोई व्यक्ति मरने जा रहा है तो उसके लिए हम उसका टाइम ड्यूरेशन क्या है कि हम लोग उस टाइम में प्रिपेयर करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे शास्त्र में लिखा है कि एक एग्जाम्पल है कि सुखदेव गोस्वामी जी ने परीक्षित महाराज को उपदेश दिया था. आफ्टर 7 days he got cross that in 7 days, 7 day and 7 night he will die. सो परीक्षित महाराज जी ने को श्राप दिया था श्रृंगी ऋषि ने कि उनका मृत्यु 7 दिन के भीतर हो जाएगा. सो गाइस, टू काउंटर एक्ट, अब श्राप तो मिल गया, उसका प्रिपरेशन. अब परीक्षित महाराज जी तो इज अ किंग ऑफ दिस अर्थ. सो ही इज सन ऑफ व्हाट वी से अभी Arjuna. Now Arjuna's son, what we call Abhimanyu, son of Abhimanyu, his name is Parikshit Maharaj, and he is ruling over world, and he is going about to die. So he is very intelligent and asks asks some question about it. What will be the best thing that I'm going to leave my body behind here? So what should I do before I die? So there is a lots of guru came here to explain him, but he is genuinely knowing to understand what is the actual meaning. What should I have to prepare? What should I have to do to uh, uh, so that I can get uh, delivered from I can go back to Godhead. So there is a lots of stories you can search in Google, or you can notify you can search in there. There is a lots of history, okay, past times that you can learn. So I am trying to explain the one thing that about Parikshit Maharaj, and in 7 days, 7 days, 7 nights, he is going about to die. So he went to he went in search of guru, and he found Sukadev Goswami as a guru, and he instructed uh, many things in what we say in uh, I d- uh, in many ways that how can what what is our responsibilities before prepared to die. So guys, one thing I want to share around this, that one word is very important to all of our human beings. So that Sanskrit word, what we say, I'm going to pronounce it, that Harinama, Harinama, Harinama eva kevalam kalau nasteva nastava nastave gati ranatha. It meaning that in a Kali Yuga, it is this age is a Kali Yuga, okay, and we are in Kali Yuga. So it's all in a Kali Yuga. There is only one way, that is Harinam. Harinam, Harinam, Harinam eva kevalam. That's only Harinam. भगवान का नाम ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ है उसके, और और नाम ही आपको इस संसार से तारेगा। जैसे हरि नाम हरि नाम एव केवलम कलौ नास्ते व गति रन्नथा। It means that in a Kali Yuga you have to get delivered from all this material world and live, and we have to go God back to Godhead, okay, and we have to just keep the holy name, chanting the holy name of Lord Hari. That there is a Maha Mantra given by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to us, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This word we have to chant every day to keep ourselves to growth in spiritual way, or material way. We have to keep chanting every day, at least 16 rounds. As Guru Maharaj, Prabhupada has said, instructed to all of us to chant the holy name and spread the holy name all around the world. So guys, I hope my message is clear to all of us. So guys, keep chanting, keep taking the shelter of Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Chaitanya, to get delivered from all these miseries of this material world, because we are a soul, and we one day we have to go back to Godhead. So let's prepare yourself to get a good spiritual life, in to get delivered back to Godhead. So guys, कल हो ना हो, so guys get prepared yourself daily, okay. पता नहीं कल क्या है, कल हम लोग को मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So guys, आज से ही एटलीस्ट वन राउंड और 16 राउंड्स डेली चैंटिंग कीजिए, भगवान का नाम लीजिए. So guys, in this way you can get a good journey after death, because birth, death, miseries, disease is a circle, okay, and we have to keep moving in this circle to get out from this circle, from birth to death, and we have to take the whole shelter of holy name. So guys, uh, I hope that my message is clear to all of you. Keep chanting, keep taking the shelter of Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Chaitanya. Uh, this much I have to share to you, all of my dear friends, guys, subscribers. Uh, okay, so I'm going to end my this video here. So guys, Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.